Can I patent what is said on a t-shirt? Something that has never been said before. So I think you're mixing up some areas of the law. So on a t-shirt, okay, there are, a lot of people get this confused. The artwork, or even the lettering on a t-shirt, right? That's artwork in and of itself, okay? The way that it looks, the style, the font, the colors, the position on the shirt, that's art. And that's protectable under copyright law, okay? Just want to lay that out first. Now, sometimes people that are starting clothing brands will put their actual brand name on the front of the shirt, okay? But what actually governs, what controls under trademark law is what's on the label, right? What's on the manufacturer, who owns that company behind the apparel. Okay, so that's what trademark law is all about, is making sure your customers know where their goods and services come from. And so it's not necessarily under trademark law about what is on the shirt itself. It's about the company, the brand behind those goods is trademark law. Patenting is even different, right? Patenting is about protecting designs, or three-dimensional, right? Three-dimensional, like think of a water bottle, the way that it looks under a design patent. Also utility patents, utility and how it functions, right? It's got a cool handle and it holds weight and it holds water, right? And a watertight seal, and it has a button that pushes, and it has functionality where it's spring-loaded. Right? Those are all utility aspects under a utility patent. There's actually a third type of patenting called plant patents as well, where you actually grow, organic plant, and you can protect the genetic, the actual composition of those plants. So wording is not a design, a three-dimensional design, or a functional utility. So we're trying to protect what's said on a shirt is not going to be governed under patent law. If what's being said, you want to structure a company around those words, right? Of what, let's just say it says, what in the world, right? What in the world? If those are the words that you're trying to protect. If you're going to start a company and a brand around what in the world, and start an apparel company, that's trademark protectable, right? That's something we could do a search on and try to have an application submitted to protect what in the world. And you could potentially put that on the shirt. But remember, there's a second layer, that the way that it's positioned, or what font it's in, or what color that's in, that's technically more art. What's actually printed on the shirt is art. The fact that you have a brand or label called what in the world is what's covered by trademark law. That's a long-winded way to answer your question, but I hope I got a lot of coverage.